Hey guys, so I got a quick video on a 2024 Mercedes Benz C43 AMG. I'm going to show you how to reset the service A or service B light after an oil change. For that, you will need to go into workshop mode. No special tools are needed. Very simple procedure. First, we're going to turn the ignition to the first position. After that, we're going to press and hold the home button for 8 seconds and then press OK right after. So you got to do these one by one right after each other. Otherwise the procedure will not work. So first thing, we need to make sure the doors and hood is closed and take your foot off the brake pedal. You're going to press the start button once, then press and hold the home button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2. Let it go. And you're in the workshop menu now. So now next thing we're going to do is scroll down to assist plus, press OK. Now we got to turn the ignition to the on position, press it one more time. In service data, go down, full service, confirm service, select the oil grade, and press yes. I've already reset it, so I'm not going to do it again, but once you press yes, it's going to say it's been carried out and it will reset your mileage or the distance to the next service. You can go back and also check the brake pad, same way you do the brake pad replacement, a lot of other features. So very simple process to do. No special tools are needed. Just remember, make sure all the doors and hood is closed. Take your foot off the brake pedal. Press the ignition on once only. Press and hold the home button for 8 to 9 seconds. Let it go right away and then press OK for 2 seconds and let it go, and you'll be in the workshop menu. So hopefully this helps. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.